Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and edit a timeline view on Google Sheets. Creating and editing a timeline view in Google Sheets can help visualize project schedules, event sequences, or any data with a time-based component. Now, here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and customize a timeline in Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to create a timeline view using Google Sheets. All right, so launch the Google Sheets and open a new or existing sheet where you want to create the timeline. Then organize your data with columns for dates and events, which we have here already. Then highlight the range of data, including the headers. So I'm going to highlight this, including the headers, highlighting everything. So once you're done, go to insert at the top corner of your screen and head to chart. So once you do that, Google Sheets will automatically suggest a chart type based on your data. So in the chart editor panel at the right, go to setup tab, which is the first thing here, and on the chart type, select the timeline chart. So scroll the way down until you find timeline. Okay, so it doesn't seem like finding that here. It doesn't look like I can also search for it. So if a timeline chart is not directly available, which is what we're having issues doing here, you can use a bar chart or a Gantt chart. So let's go ahead and look for a bar chart, which is here. Let's use a bar chart. Now, go to the Customize tab after creating this, of course. So go to the Customize tab in the chart editor panel, which is here, and adjust the settings to improve the appearance and visibility of your timeline. So once you have chart style, for chart style, go ahead and change the colors, the font, and other styling options that you want. Just play around with that and head over to series to customize the data series. You can change colors for different events that are here. You can head over to horizontal axis and adjust date and format. And of course, you can head over to vertical axis to configure labels and grid lines. If necessary, you can adjust the data range or add additional series by modifying the data range in the setup tab, which is here. So this is data range. You can add more data range. All right, so you can also create a Gantt chart as an alternative option. All right, a Gantt chart is often used as an alternative to a timeline chart and can be adapted to create a visual timeline. So once you have organized your data, go ahead and highlight the range of data, including your headers, head over to insert, head over to chart. In the chart editor on the chart type, go ahead and select stacked bar chart, which is here. This is stacked bar chart. Okay, then go to the Customize tab, which we did before, and go to series, set the colors of the bars to differentiate tags, go to horizontal axis, adjust the display dates appropriately, and head over to vertical axis, ensure tags names are visible and readable, and head over to legend of grid lines and ticks to ensure that those have been done correctly. All right, so that's pretty much how to do that. So of course, you can prepare your data with dates and events, and you can insert and customize the timeline or Gantt chart to visualize your data. You can update data as needed and customize the appearance for clarity and impact. So this process allows you to create effective and visually appealing timelines to track and manage projects or events in Google Sheets. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. Don't forget, if you want to delete this, go ahead and click on the chart, click on the 3 vertical lines and click on delete chart, and that's already off the hook. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you.